Hi, we're here today at the ISC East show, and I have JVC's Jeff Anderson. He's the National Marketing Manager for Security Systems. And Jeff, maybe you could tell me something about your group and some of the new low-light security cameras you folks are introducing into the market.
Yes, hi Joe, thank you. My name is Jeff Anderson again. I'm the National Marketing Manager for JVC Professional Security Products Division. Our group is focused on developing technology and selling technology for video surveillance, protecting our industry, protecting our people, and doing a lot of different things where the technology is applied for both video surveillance and also this kind of thing, like looking at things on the internet as well.
Oh, great. Okay, good. Maybe you could tell me about a little bit about how these cameras are different than those of the past, and that would be of great interest to everybody.
Sure. What we're introducing this week at the ISC show in New York are a brand new set of analog cameras. JVC has been in the forefront of video surveillance for the last 20 years. We introduced some of the first cameras, and some of those cameras are actually still in operation. And most people will say, why are you introducing analog cameras in the digital age? The analog cameras that we're introducing today are perfect retrofits for existing analog systems. Many of our customers still like the analog technology. So we keep up with the analog technology as well as evolve the IP digital technology. And what we're introducing today are cameras that have 580 TV lines of resolution, which is 10% greater than the typical NTSC camera. And NTSC stands for National Television Standards Committee, which is your traditional analog television set. Along with that additional resolution, lines of TV resolution, we also provide significant low light capability. What that means for video surveillance, when you're operating your camera 24/7, we provide the capability for your camera to operate 24/7, nighttime and daytime, basically in all lighting condition. In a typical low light performance, we're able to see black and white video in near darkness, which is pretty close to starlight. We can pick up resolution to determine the face, the size or type of the car, as well as potentially license plates. So it provides a significant level of resolution. We also have, in that low light capability, we will go down farther than anybody in color resolution. So before it switches to black and white, we can do color down to 0.05 lux, which is one of the most powerful cameras on the market for the analog world. And again, in the IP space, we've created a full product line of IP-based video surveillance cameras. These IP cameras developed over the years with JVC Technologies' core technology, power over Ethernet, so it's a low power consumption camera. We also have the capability to do the true day-night on the IP side. You can watch this camera at nighttime 24/7 as well.
Very good. I know I had looked at some of the before and after scenes, or well, I shouldn't say before and after, but it almost looked like daylight in certain instances, and this was kind of like it looked like a satellite view. But I presume you use them for other closer things like an ATM machine, or and just a business as well.
Well, the applications range as far as you can imagine. So a typical shop owner wants to have coverage of his shop, make sure his employees, keep his employees honest, and make sure his customers feel safe. All the way up to the highest level of security of bridges and tunnels, the stock exchange, the London Underground. These are applications for the JVC cameras, both analog and IP digital. And again, when you're in a security environment, you want to operate 24/7. So the same level of security that the London Underground wants, our shop owners, our school districts, our police departments want that same level of security. And that's what JVC provides.
Great. Now, you said before that a lot of end users still like to use analog. And I've heard that before. And what are some of the reasons? What are some of the analog flexibility that those? What are some of the what's some of the flexibility that analog cameras give, or what do people like about them?
Well, with analog, again, there's a tremendous infrastructure of analog cabling. That's coax cable that carries that analog signal. And in many cases, in commercial application, The building inspection requirements are if you take off a camera off a video surveillance system that's on a coax network, you've got to also take out that coax cable. So in order to do that, you're probably going to spend twice as much money to deinstall your camera system to put up a new IP base, which uses twisted pair wiring, known as Cat5e, Cat6. Right. So the idea is that you want to continue to use that infrastructure, but you want to get a better camera. So JVC provides that next level of support with brand new cameras that have higher resolution and better image quality. There's another key issue that the IP cameras don't cover today because of the integration of technology. They don't do well in what we call wide dynamic range. So if you've got a background situation where you've got contrast with light coming in behind you, you still want to be able to see the image of the face and pick up color and things like that. IP cameras don't do that well, but analog cameras do. And in JVC's case, we've done something even more creative called extended wide dynamic range. So we provide a tremendous amount of capability in our new analog product line. And because we're a camera manufacturer, we really take into heart that people want to see good image quality from their cameras. One benefit that we offer, as again we talked about the image quality, it's also comfort of a 3-year warranty. All of our cameras come with 3-year parts and labor warranty.
Very good, and it's I presume it's easy to integrate your cameras into the networks that exist today.
Well, again, JVC is a very old company, and we've learned over the last 87 years that in order to be a part of an industry, you also have to play well with the partners. And we do integration tests with all of our partners. Our cameras are plug and play with other cameras on the market, with other recording platforms on the market. They also integrate very well into other levels of system for access control and things like that. So we've got a number of different partners that integrate both analog and IP network cameras as part of their system.
Yeah, integrating with that with access control is a big issue today in terms of coordinating that. Sure. Where can we go online to find out more information about the technology, and where would we go?
Well, JVC has a complete website including all of our product information, also online training for our products as well. Follow the website www.jvc.com//pro.
Okay, very good.
P-R-O.
Very good. Jeff Anderson of JVC, thank you very much.
Thank you, Joe.